Hi there, welcome back to Metrics, where we do SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about ConvergeHub, which is basically a CRM software for small businesses. Okay, it is a CRM that helps small businesses basically converge all the tools that they would use normally for sales, marketing, service billing, automation, and so on. Right. Okay, so it's very standard software. And as you can see from the headline, it is a very clear headline. It clearly states what it does, okay, in one single sentence, which is great. And then in the subheadline, it goes more in depth about the specifics. So it's very clear because the prospects will not have any ambiguity about how this works or what the software entails specifically. What they do well as well is that they have a contact contact form kind of here. They try to get your contact email, which is great. One thing that I may suggest to improve the opt-ins is to simply give any incentive to actually get the prospect to provide their contact details, whether that is a lead magnet, a freebie, a discount, or anything like that to get the prospect to give away their contact. That might be helpful. And then straight away, what they do well is that they talk about the awards that they've won from, the top reviewing platforms for software. All right, from Capterra, G2, and Gap. So this is really good in order to build the trust in the prospects' minds. And then here they go more in depth about all the pieces of the tools that they have got available within the software. And what they do well as well is that they've got a little demo video that you can watch if you want in order to get a better idea of the software. And again, this will have a positive impact in the customer's minds, in the prospect's minds, basically. And here, again, they give away more information about how you can apply this software to many different industries, like professional services, accounting, IT, financial, and insurance, real estate, and so on and so forth, right? And this is really good. Once again, they have some more testimonials and to act as social proof elements, and most of these are 5-star reviews as well, which is really good in terms of um, credibility. Once again, as we've talked about, and it will definitely help to increase the conversion rate at this website. And you can also go and see more if you want to, right? And here they've got more explanations that you can actually watch if you want to know more about how the business works. And it's good as well because they've got a lot of integrations that you can work with if you like. And once again, here they ask for you to start a free trial, and they say how it's easy to set up. It's 14 days and there's no credit card required. Once again, as we talked about previously, at the top of the page, it might have been helpful if they added an actual lead magnet to get the prospect to actually provide their contact details. And also, one thing that I would say might be helpful to add the frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page, because this section usually is helpful to handle any of the objections that the prospect might have in their heads regarding whether they should use this software or not. And if you're able to remove these concerns before they even start their free trial, then or they jump on a discovery call, then that would be doing wonders for the conversion rate of the website. Okay, and one last thing that I wanted to talk about is potentially the pricing. So if you go and click on the pricing here, you can see it is a very clear standard pricing page, which is really good. Every tier shows the exact price that the prospect would be paying, and each tier has all the features explained underneath it. So it's a very standard, a very good pricing page because it allows the customers to actually make an informed decision about what would be the best tier for them if they wish to then go on to um, you know to actually purchase the software. And once again, they add the credibility elements to get you to um, actually start the free trial with all the testimonials and the credibility um, awards. And so if you click on book a demo, they will get you to this page. where they are asking you for all your contact details in order to start the free trial. But I guess one thing they could have done is to simply add more of those credibility elements around this contact form, because a lot of software companies do that in order to, again, reinforce a positive aspect in the prospects' minds that they're going to do a positive action by signing up, by simply adding some more testimonials around the Booker demo page. Okay. But other than that, this is a great website. I'm sure it's converting well. But with a few tips and tricks, I'm sure it can definitely increase the conversion rate by a few percent once more. And other than that, this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you happen to be someone who runs a SaaS company with a free trial, and you would like to increase your conversions from free trial users to paid users, I could help you with that. If you want my help, you can definitely click the link down below in the description to book a call with me. Other than that, I will. I hope that you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.